showing you how to use the Jonard tools to reference out these testers and test fiber. So we're testing multi-mode right now. So we're gonna have the appropriate patch cables. You're gonna have 2 cables in your kit at all times. And these are what we call launch cables or reference cables in our world. You're gonna have a regular coupler. So before you go ahead and test your installation of your new fiber, you have to make sure these meters are ready to go. So multi-mode is 850 or 1300. So both of them are set for 850. Now you can't go yet. You have to zero it out. You have to get rid of all this patch cable. So I just hit that button, reference button. You'll notice that that's our point reference and they are zeroed out. You are good to go. You will notice in different environments, you will see a little bit of fluctuation in the numbers, but that's okay. So here's a couple installer tricks out there in the field. You will notice right there it says auto off. You just hit that button. Guys, you definitely want to make sure that you have the auto off on, because what happens is you're walking around testing the different strands of fiber. You lose this and it shuts down. You have to reference out these cables all over again. ADI, our local branch, Ben Salem ADI. What's up, Joel? And Mike, the Fiber King, came in and showed us a good install trick. Use SC heads. Now, you'll notice that in this example, we're using the LC with bayonet connectors, but they brought up an interesting point. So when you're out there in the field, it might almost take out the entire socket. So let me put that back in real nicely with one hand. And we'll do that. There's another example too. Let's see if it goes. So you can see, depending on the adapters that you get, and we have a whole assortment of them, stick with SC because we have other ones that have been damaged. So SC, and also they have that click into them. So all of our, I know I just showed you the LC, but we use out in the field the SC heads. That's all we deal with because it clicks in and it's very secure. Also, if you're not reading the manual, multi-mode, single mode this side. So we just put a sticker on some of our units. And that's how you zero out this and test successfully fiber. Anybody that just does a light test, not the best. You need to have fiber tests. We have another video that shows you how to download the reports. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.